Hey guys, it's Fusion Kid back with another detailed overview of the new inventory on the lot. This time, we're looking at a 1966 Pontiac GTO, priced at $32,900. Overwhelmingly the favorite from the sneak peek video. Now, before we take this deep dive, let's see if $32,900 is a fair price. Hagerty values a 66 GTO two-door hardtop in good condition at $36,400. All right, let's get started. Starting up front, the 66 GTO features that signature bulge hood along with clean chrome trim that gives it that unmistakable muscle era presence. Under the hood, it's powered by its iconic 389, paired with an automatic transmission, equipped with chrome accessories, breathing through dual exhaust. Its power steering makes it easy to enjoy on the road. This GTO stance is set perfectly over those classic 14-inch PMD rally wheels. On the interior, you're going to find bucket seats with a center console and floor shifter, along with an aftermarket tach. This GTO includes its PHS documentation confirming its heritage and authenticity. All right, that concludes this deep dive. Once again, a 1966 Pontiac GTO, priced at $32,900. Be sure to subscribe. I'll be doing detailed overviews of all the new inventory on the lot. I'll be posting one just about every day, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.